Welcome you guys, this is Solomon from UseCellPhoneParts.com, and today we're going to be making a short video on how to replace your loudspeaker in your Samsung Galaxy S4 smartphone. Now there's two speakers in this phone. One is your ear speaker and one is your loudspeaker. The ear speaker is the one that you hear from your phone calls we're going to be replacing the loudspeaker to your audio in sounds and tones that comes from it. So it's located in the back at the bottom here, and it's not a hard replacement to do. It's just basically kind of simple. You just want to remove these 4 screws here at the bottom. So we'll go ahead and do that. So once you remove those, sometimes it's difficult to remove it out. So what you want to do is get some kind of prying tool. Today I'm just going to be using a knife to help pry it up. So and actually this one is kind of easy to come out. So yeah, that's basically how you remove and where you want to replace your loudspeaker into this model. Like I was saying, it's not a hard procedure. So we're just going to put this back in here. Also, feel free to visit us at UseCellPhoneParts.com for all your replacement parts and cell phone repairs. If you have liked this video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe. And until next time, be blessed and have a wonderful day.